morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I got a little video for you on how to remove the front grille for the 64 Falcon. I believe this will go to 65 too. I can't imagine the 63 and those other ones being too much different. Basically, pretty simple. You just got these to remove. You're gonna move your beauty ring around your headlight, and from there you might have, actually I believe that might be it. Anyways, we'll get to it and we'll see how it goes. So for this beauty ring, you got one here, and there should be two up here. I only got one and one. So anyways, I'm gonna replace all these screws with stainless steel screws when I come back and put it back together. So here we go. That one is not wanting to come out. I feel stripped already. Kinda sucks. There's nothing wrong with this beauty ring. I don't want to damage it trying to get that screw out. Go for a little bigger screwdriver. Phillips. Problem with these old cars, boy. All the fasteners are pretty much rusted in. At least I found that on this. There's that. Again, if you look at that screw, a little closer, it's all nasty. So, and this bottom one probably catches most of it because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drill that head out. Honestly, I don't even know if you need to pull those beauty rings. I'll have to get to that. Let's try moving on and seeing if I can get to the back of it. With the, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab a 1/2 inch socket for those and I'll bring you back. All right, so yeah, it's a 1/2 inch socket. First one. Probably will not replace those because those look all in decent shape. Alright, that side's undone. And it appears that screw is holding me up. Mounting point for it. Let's see how that looks on that side. Yep, it goes right in there. Alright. Good times. It's always one screw, right? bring it back. I'm gonna get a drill and a drill bit. All right, I got my drill bit. Now I'm just gonna try to drill this head out. Went. So there, she came off intact. Now we just got to get that one off and then fight with getting that out. There we go. There's the grill. And of course, she's loose now. I'm gonna get her head out with my hands. Oh, good grief. As you can see, there it is. Just whittled her down to where she's small enough to fold over that. With this, I'll get this little pretty ring off. There's only, I'm pretty sure there's a 1/2 inch. Let's see if we can get to it from the back side. All right, let me grab that. That one. Washer on each side. On over. That one's missing there. We got one more over here. Right here, and then of course right here, and then we got that one on the other side. Again, on each side of this, washer and nut. Stuff's so rusted up, I will probably replace it all. Get a couple wrenches on that. See if I can do it that way. On these, I like to use PB Blaster. PB Blaster seems to work really well for me. Go from the backside. The other side over. No, I think she's just stuck on there by oldness. And onto this side. Well, I tried about everything. It is stripped, so I'm gonna try cutting it off. I got my little air dye grinder and safety glasses and of course gloves. And here we go. Alright, so I got that one cut off. I still got to work on getting the rest of it off. I got one more right here in the center. I got that cleaned up with and boom, there she is. That took some work. As you can see, there's no damage to that. Needs a little straightening up, but other than that. And here, I'm gonna have to finish cutting that off. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you got any questions, please hit me up. Y'all have a good day. Alright everyone, I just want to bring you back, let you see the how it finally turned out. I took this brace that went across over to here off. That one fought me. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna fight me here. Right now I got this cardboard down because I'm soaking everything else in PB Blaster. I'm not too sure about these. Hopefully I can get up underneath there and get a good socket on there and lock them down. Hopefully they come out all right. This side, I just went ahead and sprayed everything with PB Blaster. I got that one loose all right. So right now it's shaping up to be a challenge. I got the front bumper brackets off and the bracket for the right side for the fender, and I'm gonna get this left one off, and then I'm gonna sit there and sand those down and then blast them and then powder coat them in a gloss black. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.